Have you ever sat at the edge of your bed, calculator in one hand, your last $20 in the other, wondering, how am I supposed to save with this? Because I have. And today, you will know how I turned that exact moment, those exact $20, into a completely different financial life. Welcome back to Cash Stuffing and Budgeting, where we turn small incomes into big transformations. And before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button while watching, because every week I drop real stories, real budgets, and real strategies for people who don't have thousands to start with. Now, let's talk about how to save money even when your income feels too small to stretch. Let me take you back to the year everything changed for me. It was a rainy Tuesday morning. I woke up late again. My phone buzzed. Balance alert, your account is below $10. Not below $100, below 10. And I remember sitting on the edge of my bed thinking, how do people save? What are they saving? Hey! But that day, something shifted. I realized that if I didn't change the way I handled money, not necessarily the amount I owned, I was going to keep reliving the same cycle over and over. And that's what this video is all about. How to save money even when your income is low. Because saving is not about being rich. It's about being intentional. Let's start with the first big lesson I learned. Section 1. The truth about saving on low income. People often say, you need to make more money before you can save. But that's not true. What you really need is priority, not a pay raise. When I was earning barely enough to cover bills, I realized something important. Saving doesn't start with money. It starts with decisions. Every dollar you earn already has somewhere it wants to run to. Your job is to give it instructions before it disappears. The day I made saving a bill, like rent, electricity, or data plan, everything changed. Even if it was $5, even if it was $2, even if it was coins. Because consistency beats amount every single time. This is when I discovered the budgeting method that truly saved my life. Section 2. Cash stuffing saved me. If you're watching my channel, you already know this part. But this is a real reason I started cash stuffing. My money was vanishing into thin air. I couldn't see it. I couldn't track it. I couldn't understand where it went. Then one day, someone told me, if you can't manage $100, you won't magically manage $1,000. So I grabbed 4 envelopes. Not even nice envelopes, just ones from old bills. I labeled them. Food, transport, emergency, savings. And guess what? I put $3 into savings that first week. $3. I laughed at myself, but I did it anyway. Because saving $3 beats saving nothing. That tiny habit grew into $10, $20, $100, and eventually a full emergency fund. Cash stuffing works because it makes money visible. You can't overspend what isn't there. And this method is perfect for low-income households because heavy check market forces discipline. Heavy check market stops impulse spending. Heavy check market shows you exactly what you can afford. Heavy check market prevents accidental overdrafts. Heavy check market helps you build savings slowly but surely. Let me show you the mindset shift that made saving easier for me. Section 3. Fix your mindset before your money. You can't save if you're fighting yourself. When your income is low, every dollar feels emotional. It feels like survival. So of course it's hard to let go of even a small amount. But here's the truth. You're not saving to punish yourself. You're saving to protect yourself. One unexpected bill can throw off your whole month. One emergency can create a chain reaction of debt. One unexpected situation can lead to borrowing money you can't pay back soon. Savings are not about being good with money. Savings are a safety belt. And when you think of it that way, it becomes easier to put something aside, even if that something is tiny. Section 4. How to save on low income. Step by step. Below are the exact things I did. Not theory. Not textbook. Real life. Step 1. Know where your money is going. Before I started saving, I didn't know why I was always broke. Then I tracked my spending for 30 days and realized $1,200 was income. $180 was transport. $300 was food. $50 was snacks I don't even remember eating. $70 was unplanned miscellaneous purchases. $120 was going to fees, small debt, and late charges. The problem wasn't only my low income. The problem was where the money was slipping away. Once I saw the numbers, everything made sense. If you want to save on low income, do a 30-day money audit. Every transaction, every purchase, every transfer. Write it all down. It will shock you, but it will also help you take control. Step 2. Cut quiet expenses, the ones you forget you pay. Low-income households don't overspend on luxury. They overspend on invisible expenses. These include subscriptions you forgot about, convenience food, daily small snacks, excessive transport, data airtime leaks, bank charges, small impulse purchases. Saving money starts when you cut the tiny things that drain you slowly. My rule became, if it doesn't improve my life, it goes. Canceled subscriptions, plus $20. Reduce snacks, plus $30. Walk twice a week, plus $10. Change data plan, plus $15. Monthly saving from small cuts, $75. That's when saving became real for me. Step 3. Pay yourself first. This step changed my financial life forever. When my salary came in, I used to pay bills, buy food, transport, then try to save what was left. But nothing was ever left. Then someone said something to me I will never forget. If you don't pay yourself, you are working for free. So I did the opposite. As soon as money came in, I saved first. I stuffed envelopes second. I spent last, even if it was just $5. This is a golden rule of saving on low income. Save before you spend. Step 4. Use micro savings. Small amounts add up. I didn't save $500 at once. I saved $2, then $5, then $10. Here are micro saving ideas you can copy. Save $1 every day. Save all $5 notes you get. Save all your coins. Save 10% of any unexpected income. Save the difference when something costs less than expected. Save each time you say no to a purchase. Micro saving is powerful because heavy check market doesn't stress your budget. Heavy check market builds discipline. Heavy check market grows faster than you expect. And when I combined micro saving with cash stuffing, everything clicked. Step 5. The 3-envelope saving system, perfect for low income. I created a system anyone can use. You only need 3 envelopes. Envelope 1, emergency savings, non-negotiable. Put something here every week. $1, $3, $5, whatever you can. This is your protection. Envelope 2, future goal savings. This keeps you motivated. It could be a phone, a small business, a rent buffer, debt payoff, a trip, a side hustle investment. Envelope 3, life happens savings. This is an unexpected but not an emergency fund. Things like medicine, school events, transport emergencies, work lunch, family obligations. This stops you from dipping into your emergency fund every month. Section 5. Increasing your income without a new job. Here's a truth I wish someone told me earlier. You don't need a salary increase to earn more. Here are the exact things I did to boost income slowly. 1. I sold things I didn't use. Clothes, bags, shoes, electronics. I made $120 in one weekend. 2. I started a micro side hustle. You don't need lots of capital. Try selling snacks, reselling thrift, braiding hair, doing nails, cooking small plates, online tasks, phone repairs, laundry services, digital services. Your first side hustle doesn't need to be big. It needs to be consistent. 3. I used the 50-30-20 rule, modified for low income, but I changed it to 60% needs, 30% growth, side hustle, skills, small investments, 10% savings. This made it realistic for my income level. Section 6. The day my savings finally protected me. Let me tell you, the moment I knew everything I had been doing was worth it. My boss called me unexpectedly. Your payment will be delayed this month. My heart dropped. I had rent due, transport to pay for, food to buy. But for the first time ever, I felt calm because I had my envelopes. I had savings. I had a plan. And guess what? I survived that entire month without borrowing. That was the day I realized saving with low income is possible. Saving with low income is powerful. Saving with low income gives you freedom. If you want to save money even with a small income, here's what you must do today. 1. Start a cash stuffing system with ANY amount. 2. Track every dollar. No more blind spending. 3. Make a budget you can stick to. Not a perfect one, a realistic one. 4. Choose ONE side hustle to start. Don't wait until you have capital. 5. Pay yourself first, even if it's small. 6. Build your emergency fund slowly. It will save you one day. 7. Focus on progress, not perfection. $1 saved is progress. 1 avoided impulse expense is progress. 1 envelope stuffed is progress. Before I wrap up, listen carefully. You don't have to be rich to save. You don't need a high-paying job to budget. You don't need thousands to change your life. All you need is a plan, a little discipline, and belief in yourself. Because if you can manage $10, you can manage $100. If you can manage $100, you can manage $1,000. And if you can manage $1,000, your entire future changes. This is your year to take control of your money, not the other way around. If this video motivated you, make sure you subscribe after watching, because I'm dropping more cash stuffing videos, more budgeting guides, and more financial glow-ups every week on cash stuffing and budgeting.